Hey everybody, good morning. Good morning. Good to see everyone or anyone who's here. Welcome. All right. Let's start off this day. Let's see if we get anything from the market at all. Hopefully we will have something, but we made new history high. No, we're not. We didn't. There's still a little bit to go. 36. I think it's gonna make it. New all-time high, just around the corner, guys. Be careful with that. New all-time high. I think it's an all-time high. Right up there. Would be interesting to jump in for a scalp, right? It's very close. I think it will be. Yeah, I think it should be taken out. It should be. Gold is also going for that order block that we talked about yesterday. That 1 hour order block. So that's also interesting. Peter, good morning. Good to see you, Peter. And so far, that's it. So far, that is it. Gold up to the order block. NQ most likely making a new high. Do you guys think it will go for it? I don't know. I don't know. Hold on. Let me just switch to the proper charts. It's like a healthy 8 points. If you guys want to go for that 8 points. I'm not taking it. The range is too small. Okay. And Q. All right. I had to update my charts. So that's where we're heading. Hey Kiev, good morning. My gold futures and trading view is delayed. By how much? Because if it's delayed by like 3 seconds, that could be because of you don't have a trading view subscription. But if it's delayed by 15 minutes, it could be also because you don't have subscription. But depending on if you have a trader weight access, hold on, depends. Maybe depends on if you have. I don't know nowadays. Does Apex charge data for trader weight? I don't know. I mean, for TradingView, I'm not sure. Because I'm paying directly to TradingView for my data. Also, guys, if you accessing the CME data through a TraderWeight subscription on any of these prop firms, and you don't have a TradingView subscription, you're still going to have a 3-second delay on your chart because you don't have a TradingView subscription. So you need an essential subscription, which is the cheapest, or the I don't even know what it's called, basic or what, to have TradingView not having delays. Because if you're using the free version, there's going to be a 3-second delay on TradingView. Good morning, TCG. Good to see you. So make sure to have a subscription. Good morning, Pablo. Hey, what's going on? So right now it seems like we should be breaking that all-time high. Is that all-time high? Yeah. All-time high. All-time high. Yannick's, good morning. Good to see you as well. So we're going for it. It's like 6 points, super close. And yeah, gold is going for the order block. We talked about this yesterday. No entry on my end currently. I mean, I would love to enter this one, which was almost like a perfectly valid entry here. I do feel some FOMO, but it is what it is. And we should be getting through that 435. I'm gonna put the yesterday's high here on this wick, and we have previous day low on this one. All right, I don't know what that is. Okay, previous day low is there. Everything's in place. We should be heading for the order block. Let's see what goes on. Let's see. Good morning now. Look at that. Going through that level. Don't chase it if you're not certain that it's going to break through. But it's only 5 points. Of course, 5 points is always good in London session. News-wise, it seems like we don't really have anything special. Retail sales, Italian retail sales, but nothing special. We have the non-farm payroll today, so be careful. Gold should be continuing higher. And nothing else. Nothing else. We're going to do the giveaway, MyFundedFutures today in the New York session, so get ready. Make sure to have a registration with MyFundedFutures. So unfortunately, for example, if some of you are from a restricted country, unfortunately, it's not going to work out. But this is directly from MyFundedFutures, so that's all I can tell you. But next week we're gonna do cash giveaway. We're gonna do cash giveaway on the stream. So yeah, it's gonna be 3 accounts. 3 starter accounts today, guys, so quite a good chance. Yeah, Kiev, I trade fair value gaps, I trade order blocks. Basically, the core of my entry model is the classic ICT setup, but you know, I try to implement some other things. I do like to trade more with the order blocks. So yeah, the fair value gap versus or and order block combination is something that I'm really looking into. But I don't trade, for example, the SMT divergence. I see it when it happens. Usually when I only trade the SMT divergence, it's not working for me. I don't trade the turtle soup. There are like 80 concepts or dozens of concepts from ICT. I don't really trade them. So these are the 1 and 2 concepts that I look into. 23.72 is a good for pullback buy. Yeah, it could be. 72 you're saying. Yeah, that would be a good one. If I go to the 5-minute here, obviously there was a structure shift here. Right here. Bullish market structure shift. And we also have a small fair value gap. Not that it really matters that we also have a tiny one up there. So I'm just going to put a gap here and that's it. So I know it's not precise. I know that it's not how it's done. But in this scenario, I don't think it's going to go down there though. I think my opinion is that we're continuing to the order block up there on the 1-hour chart. If you look to the left on the 1-hour chart, this is a bearish order block starting from the bottom of the candle. I don't use the wicks. I use the bodies of the candles, at least on the entry side. So here, the opening is at 77.2. 77.2, is it? Yeah. Okay. That's where it opens, right? Open is 77.2. Okay, so that's where the order block should be starting, which means I would like to see gold dig into the order block. And that's it. Otherwise, what else? 5 points to the all-time high on Nasdaq. Nothing special. Nothing special. DM, good morning. Today is my first day of copy trading 20 Apex PAs. Dude, DM, fingers crossed. I wish you all the best and the good luck. Slim Shady, good to see you again. How is your day? How was... some of you guys are from the US. How was yesterday, July 4th? Any good parties, firecrackers, stuff like that? So fingers crossed, DM. I hope the best for you. Be careful. Go small size. I don't take it from me. It's just my personal opinion, DM. But it's Friday. You're from Sweden. Yeah, always keep missing up people. Sorry. So DM, if I were you, but you do what you want, I would not copy trade 20 PA accounts on a Friday. You know, and even if you, I mean, I don't want to say and jinx anything, but if something not goes as planned, you know, it could be leaving you in a bad mood for the weekend. But it's up to you. I hope you make some good profits today. So, Vajda, jó reggelt kívánok, üdvözöllek. Fellow Hungarian, well, not exactly Hungarian, but Hungarian trader from Transylvania. If I remember correctly. Oh, look at that. We have a new history made right now. All-time high. So if some of you guys were holding a good chunk for a scalp, you made it there. New all-time high. All right. This is also, by the way, this wick down. Yeah, Apex has closed the Discord. The official explanation is that there were so many toxic people, which I also saw with my own eyes. So many toxic people in the Discord and so many, let's just say, silly questions over and over and over, that the official thing is that they are working on a brand new thing on Discord. They're going to open up everything back, but what can I say? This is what they're doing. I don't really care about that too much, but they're gonna open it up again. So absolutely, that I'm not just hoping. I know that that's the real reason. We got people paid out yesterday too. Just saying, if anyone is uncertain what is happening with Apex, with the Discord, I have absolutely no reason to think of anything bad. If you know, people who got approved not getting paid out, now that would give me some kind of concern. But yesterday we had like at least 3 or 5 people who got paid out yesterday, who are regular people, hang around here and other channels too. People at Methodical Man's channel got paid out, so I have no issue to think about anything else. And I did see what was happening in their Discord, so it was a carnage there. And unfortunately, we did see that some mods were not really handling the situation as they should have, but let's not go into that. Hopefully, they will resolve the issue. By the way, for many time, years ago, early, they didn't even have a Discord. So, hey Rob, good morning. You trust me, thank you. When Apex Rhythmic is blowing accounts for a month, of course, absolutely the Mad Scalper, I give you that. The Mad Scalper, you are absolutely. That's the thing. Like, also raises the question. Like, I have Rhythmic connection through all of these prop firms that I trade, and only Apex had the issue. But the explanation was that Rhythmic is dedicating different servers to each of these prop firms. So they had such a load of new people in the past few months, especially with the new sales, that they said, and this is not confirmed, so don't take it from me, this is just an unconfirmed explanation, that Rhythmic has put so many, the new users put so many pressure on their servers that were dedicated from Rhythmic to their side, that they couldn't handle the data, especially when news trading on the evaluation accounts. But they said they are gonna get a lot of more servers from Rhythmic, you know, stuff like that. I don't know. That was the technical explanation, and that's why other prop firms don't have issues with Rhythmic, because there were so many new users at Apex. I don't know. This is not confirmed. This was just something that they said. So anyway. Yeah, on gold we are hit the 1 hour order block. Yeah, we're going for that. But futures haven't. Oh, let's see the forex chart here on the 1 hour. Oh yeah, we hit that. On futures we didn't go for it yet. So you see, this is this is what you see at forex prop firms, and this is futures. Oh, sorry, no. Yeah, we hit that. Sorry, I wasn't aware where we are. Actually, yeah, we are in. This is we are inside the order block. Are we? We're not. Look at that. Look at the 1 hour to the left. There is still time and space on the regular gold chart. I say regular, what you see at forex brokers or prop firms. There's still some space to go to hit the order block. So it's getting close. Let's zoom it out. See? This is this. It jumps away. I can't show it to you, but we're still not there at the order block. There was one here, but there's a bigger one. Is that the same? Dude, I'm messed up. It's not the same, man. I'm gonna tell you the reason. I did not have my coffee yet. It's here on my desk. I keep mistaking this. So yes, you're right. You are right. On the regular one, we already hit the order block, but there's another one behind. On futures, we didn't hit that yet, but there's also another one here. Another order block. That's actually a good thing, because that makes it even stronger pull to the upside. I like that. That's an even stronger indication that we could continue higher on gold. Look at this. Should be getting through that area. Anyway. So I'm definitely bullish on gold. 2 order blocks on the futures chart up there. This is the 5 minute. It should be poking into it, at least to this one as the low hanging fruit. Anyway, let me read the chat. Nasdaq is not doing anything, so don't jump in. This is This is absolutely like, you don't have to do anything with Nasdaq right now. It's nothing. We have the 500 level up there. I'm gonna put it there. 500 there. That must be because it's a whole number, could be a target, but that's it. All right, let me read the chat. Marcos buying Nasdaq. Let's go, Jeho. I just joined. What happened? Nothing. They just temporarily suspended the Discord on Apex. How are people passing 250k accounts in one trade? Does trading not catch up? Yeah, it's catching up, definitely. You have to go for news trading if you want to pass it in one day, and you have to go with like 20 or 25 contracts. I don't even know how much you can take there. 25 minis or 20 minis on a news. That's how you pass it. And some of the accounts are going to catch up with the retracement and they're going to blow up. That's how they do it. I'm just wondering, looking for a short. Yeah, if you're looking for a short on gold, I would wait. And also I would wait on Nasdaq. No structure to be broken to the downside. I've been long since 4 a.m. Wow. Marcos, I know you have diamond hands. Now they need to have servers for evals and different service P accounts to separate. Yeah, that's true. Up 2,000 on Apex. Congratulations, Kenny. Hey, congratulations. Thank you so much for the support, Kenny. Kenny, thank you so much. Thank you. Good morning, Marco. I'm doing all right. This is the plan, hoping that we're going to reach that order block up there on the 1 hour. And what else? We have two. Yeah, you were right, Slim Trady. Yeah, I checked it. Yeah, I was. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I messed it up. Yeah, both futures and funded accounts. Nice. Hey, Lotsa, welcome. Üdvözöllek. Yeah, I just checking the email. Give me a second. I saw that there's an incoming mail from you, Marcos. Let me see. I have so many mails. Let me see. I have so many emails. Okay. Oh, Marcos, that is awesome. Congratulations. This is a very, very nice trade here. Nice. You went to the gym. You opened it when you went to the gym. All right, let's see. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Shai Sosa. Everything's fine. Everything's cool. Making new highs on Nasdaq. So all is well. All right. I should look along there. Boom. Marcus is killing it again. I'm not even surprised anymore. It seems like we're going maybe for that whole number of 500. I did not have an entry. But it's interesting to see gold. It's definitely interesting to see gold. I like that it might try to form a possible continuation. I still don't have an entry here. It poked into the highs, but I don't know. Is it going to continue higher? No idea. At this level, there is, well, small, tiny fair value gaps. That's true. But let's see the 15-minute, all right? The 15-minute gold futures chart. There's a high at 73. And the close of this one is also at 73. So it could also give us like a on the 15-minute chart, it could be, there could be an entry, maybe down there at somewhere at, where is it, 72.7 maybe, as a continuation to the order block. How about that, guys? 72.7. Yeah, 72.7. I don't know. Let me check it. 72.7. All right. I put a limit order at 72.7 to continue higher. It's only based on the 15-minute chart. It's not an A+ setup, but at least I have the confirmation I need for gold. Bullish market structure shift, fair value gap to continue higher here. Yeah, that's it. So I'm looking for this one to get tagged, and I'll take a long position into the order block up there. That's it. Otherwise, NQ is just straight going higher. Does this new highs at NQ means no short day? It not necessarily means that no shorts today, but we have no targets. The only thing there is the whole number of 500, 20,500. Also, it's Friday, so Fridays are usually, you know, rallies, and we have NFP. So right before NFP, market tends to price in or price up the market, like push it, and then maybe if the number is not in favor or what, or you know, they want to do some manipulation, they're just gonna send it down like 200 points instantly. They can do that, but Marcus is long from 4 a.m. Yeah. So do also look at the XY. Not really. I look at dollar index. I have it on my other chart. It's also here. So honestly, it's good to look at dollar index. I agree, definitely. I know people who trade gold who always look dollar index and confirm their entry, but I also know people who trade gold and don't care about the dollar index. I'm with the second group because not that I don't care about dollar index, but guys, during day trading, especially in the past couple of months, the dollar index and gold don't really care about each other. That's what I saw. So I didn't really looked into it. It's not a confirmation for me. If the dollar index is getting to a strong level and I'm in a scalp or whatever, I might look at it like to take it or not, but usually I don't. Let's look at it. Okay, I got tagged into the trade 70.80. Let me put my stop in 70.8. Is that good? 70.7 maybe. Okay. Let's look at it. Damn it, it might gonna take me out, but 20, 40, 76, 6. Limit is 76, 6. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I have my entry on gold. Now it doesn't really look that good, but I can show you guys. Where is it? MGC. MGC. there. Oh, come on. I know I took a scalp before that. Okay, here you go. This is my entry on gold. Not looking that good right now, but there's an order block up there. Only 4 micros, so I'm risking about 80 bucks. Not the end of the world, but look at NQ. Wow, Marcos is surfing. I think he's seeing 527. All right, let's go. It's still down there. Anyway, money with the hater. So should we still buying Apex evals? Is it safe or alarming? You do what you think it's safe or not. In my end, currently I have no issue for not buying Apex evaluation accounts. So just because they're revamping their Discord, but you know, I have again, yesterday we had people getting paid out again. I mean, not just approved, but money arriving to their bank accounts. And so far, until that goes on, I have no reason to doubt anything. And I did see what was happening in their Discord, and that's it. So I have no issue to believe that Apex is going down. I know a lot of people are spreading FUD. And again, if we see a real reason, like not getting paid, people not getting paid when they got approved, then I would say, okay, we have to be careful. But Apex is one of the big ones still. So what can I say? I don't know. But I have no reason to doubt them. And I'm working on my PA accounts too, so I really hope that they don't go down. And that's it. I have no reason to believe that they're gonna go down. Oh, let me and I see all this toxicity on Twitter and everywhere on the streams. People are throwing garbage on every prop firm, and even some prop firm CEOs throwing things at each other. It's just not good. It's so let's just focus, and that's it. It's not the same like it was like 4 years ago or 5 years ago when prop firms were not this popular or just, you know, coming out, and now everybody is throwing the hate at everything. Boom. Hey, nice, Serdar. Congratulations. So immature and full of drama. Everything is immature. Yeah, everything. Not just that. I don't want to comment on any of that because I don't want to get involved. But, you know, all we can do is focus on trading, and you do your own decision which prop firm you want to take. And that's it. That's all we can do. There's just too much toxic thing happening online. That's the problem with social media, is enabling people to destroy anything or everything. So if there is someone on social media with a following, he or she can spread whatever they want. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, Fast Track, I'm not using them yet, but took a scalp on gold. Nice. Apex is not gonna go down if you, yeah, DM, exactly. I just want to say, like, Apex is making such a huge chunk of money, and it paid out a lot of money as well. Apex is not gonna go down. That's all I can say. But time will tell, and in this case, I'm saying that Apex is not going to go down. But that is my opinion. Time will tell, but it's not going to go down. Just saying, I'm perfectly aware of that. It's not going to go down. It's too much. It's a huge business for them to just let it go, you know. Good morning. Which market are you currently looking? I'm looking at this is gold. Sorry, this is gold futures. But so this is it. I'm looking for the 1 hour order block to be tagged up there. That's my plan based on the 15-minute pullback here with the market structure shift, OTE, fair value gap, and such. And so I just want to get to the 1 hour order block. That's it. Otherwise, NQ is at all-time high, so I'm just waiting. Now, it does not mean that gold is not gonna, you know, drop, because right now I'm only at break even, but Apex too big to fall. I think we heard that in 2008, right? In 2008, everybody was talking about the big banks. It's too big to fail. Oh, well, you know, history, you know, guys. It's too big to fail. And, you know, what happened? Good morning, Greg. Should I take a long for NQ? I don't know. It's up to you. It's your decision, Adam. I'm not going to take a long here. That is 100% sure. I'm not taking a long. The only thing I would take is a short, but for that I need a structure to form here. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's a very good answer, Naomi. Any business can go down. Even $1 trillion business can go down any moment. That's true. We don't know what's in the background. We can only guess, so. So that's it. We can only guess at this point with anything. I hope that the whole industry is gonna change in a positive. And by the way, if one of these top 5 or top 10 or whatever prop firms go down, is it gonna be really good? Because I know many people want that. Let's hope they go down. I want them to go down. I hope they will go down. Is it really gonna be that good? Because that is gonna create such a huge uncertainty in the prop space, in the prop firm market and the space. Is gonna be very bad for the whole industry, for the traders at the end, because then everybody's gonna throw garbage at each other, like, oh, this is bad, that is bad, it's a scam, that's a scam. Like, everything is a scam now. Everything is a scam. Everybody is a scammer. Everything is a scam. All right, I'm stopping here. That's it. I zip it because that's gonna go into a negative energy, and I'll stop here. Let's focus on trading. I'm focusing on trading here, and let's see what's happening here. Relative equal highs though, or almost on gold. Almost. Still around this area. Yeah, exactly, DM. That's all. That's all. Oh, I can't, Marcus. I mean, I wish you make more profit with it, but I just can't jump into a long here. I can't. On the 1 minute, it looks good. Look at that. Accumulating positions in a fair value gap. Maybe it's looking to go higher. But what if? I hope it's not. But, you know, what if it's just accumulating positions and then boom? You know, I don't want to. I can't. I did this too many times, you know, buy at the top, sell at the low. Too many times. Sometimes it worked out, but when it didn't, it just destroyed me. So I'm not going to. Will not be large. Join when you see. Well, if I see something maybe on the 15-minute, but no structure, well, I don't see anything yet. The only thing here is the 15-minute fair value gap, but that's not enough for me. That's just not. I just can't go long on Nasdaq. Gold is hitting resistance at 1 hour. Could be. Again, it's just created a double top or relative equal highs. Could be going down, sweep some liquidity, and then, you know, continue higher. We don't know. We don't know. Nasdaq up to at least the news. Yeah, could be. Yeah, it's, you know, usually on NFP day it goes higher and higher. And by the way, the MyFundedFutures giveaway is going to be in the New York session. Just saying, guys. 3 starter accounts. 3 accounts. So all you need to do, if you haven't already, is to have a registration with MyFundedFutures. Unfortunately, for some people, good morning, Dominic. For some people, and good morning, Alicia. For some people who are not allowed in a, so if you are in a restricted country, unfortunately, it's not going to work out. But it's going to come directly from MyFundedFutures. They're going to activate the account in the back office. But next week we'll do cash prize as well. So you short NQ? Let's see. Good morning, Bess. Good morning. Let's see what happens on NQ. Small bullish order block here, but it can be broken below 45. Don't really see anything. Gold is going sideways a bit, I guess. Yeah, look at that, the 1 minute. My trade is at break even still. I don't know what's going to happen. This is my gold trade. Starting to lose hope. I thought that we're going to have a strong move to the upside, but look at that. It's just going down. So unfortunately, it's not looking good for me on the gold. Yesterday was good. I was holding it for like more than 2 hours. Maybe London Open can kick higher. I don't know. Starter plan is impossible mission. Congrats who make it all the way to live account. Well, there's a scaling rule. So, yeah. Hey, Spy Girl. Well, nothing, Spy Girl. I'm just having a long position on gold. That's it, but nothing else. Trend continues. Hey, Sir Burnson. Good to see you. I prefer shorts now than longs. Yeah, let's see what happens. NQ is... It still kind of looks bullish to me on the 5 minute. I just don't know where it goes. 500 is the only reasonable spot I can see because it's a whole number. Round number. I'm sorry, it's not as beautiful as 20K, but it's still a whole number. No, I didn't, Sir Burnson. I didn't. I did not trade that. I did not. Not yet, at least. I just sold my long to preserve profit before the boys arrive. Still see upside. Yeah, it can go up. definitely. I don't see any good setup NQ. I'm just trying shorts. Yeah, you can look for a structure shift to the downside. At this moment, at this second, it would be best to have a displacement below 49.50. And there are some good areas down there, some good swing points on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, if you want to go short, I don't know. There's a good area down there at 422, or maybe here at 428 in this zone. But yeah, everyone sells, you buy. Oh yeah, Marcus is really, and he has diamond hands. Also, don't forget, until Sunday we have 90% off from Bulenox option 1 accounts, so don't forget that, don't sleep on it. And of course, the new starter accounts are absolutely amazing. I know it's different. For some people it could be a little hard, I understand, because of the scaling rule. I think it's all right. But yeah, no activation fee. Not anymore, at least. That's what MyFundedFutures is saying. They want to wave goodbye forever to activation fees. Let's see how it goes. Take Profit Trader doesn't have activation fee as well. Please, guys, can you sell the Nasdaq? We are at all time. I suppose that a lot of people are trying to sell the Nasdaq right now. A lot of traders, which is understandable, of course. 6E, you're selling euro. All right. I don't have it on here, but I have the Forex chart. Yeah, euro is high. I mean, you know, compared to the previous days. Okay, careful there. I'm not gonna say anything what to do, but you see that on euro, it's only on it's a Forex chart, it's not the futures chart, but look at the 1 hour. Anyway, it's going. Man, sometimes I miss the days when I was only trading Forex. And I was only trading Forex, but it was, I don't know, it was different. I was trading the euro dollar on Forex, and it was, you know, some days, many days, especially in the London session, it was only moving like 5 pips or 7 pips. That's all, you know. And you have spread, you have commission, and you were trying to trade euro dollar for 7 pips or 8 pips. You were very good if you could make 10 pips or 12 pips. That was like, I was like, no, I just can't do this. And you were sitting in the position for at least hours. Anyway, when I enter in NQ, I usually risk myself on 300. There you go, nice. Seller are gamblers, actually. You have TOPSTEP. All right. All prop firms are good for traders, for sure. It's good to have them. Well, prop firms are, you know, guys. I was trading when I was 20. I was approached trading when I was 23 years old. Now I'm 40 years old, guys. I'm 40 right now. I was like 22 or 23 first when I approached trading. It was in 2007. Of course, I lost all the time, everywhere, everything. Not that I had too much money to lose, but there were no prop firms. We only had Forex brokerages that I could access. And it was different. It was different. And I was wishing after that, especially in the 2010s, so around 2015, 17, when I started trading again, that it would be so good to have a company that I could work for, to have some capital. Actually, we were talking about this with some friends. And I knew some very rich people. Thank God that I did not make a contract with them. I knew some very rich people who were interested to trade on the Forex market, and they said they are willing to open an account with not just a few $1,000s, but 50K or 100K US dollars. They're very rich, and I was almost into the deal. Like, okay, you open the account, and we're going to trade it together, and I will get some commission or profit share. Thank God I didn't do that. Thank God. Thank you so much. Because prop firms are the best deal to do that. Different rules of drawdown. Top step. Roster miss, top step. To go buy again. All right. No pain, no gain. It was different at those times, yeah. You have to be profitable for one, and then you withdraw 50%. Yeah. So right now, NQ. Actually, if you zoom it out, and I don't want to talk into anyone, but if you zoom out NQ, this is the short setup here. There you go. On the 1 minute. Do you have the balls to take it? This is a short setup on the 1 minute, but it's such a strong bullish move this morning. I don't know if it's worth the risk it for the biscuit. Look at this, guys. Boom. There you go. That's your short setup right there. Target down there, maybe here on this fair value gap. 1 to 2 risk to reward at OTE entry. Oh, very good. Even if you have a wider stop there. Boom. That's your short on the 1 minute. I'm not taking it. Ever since I started watching your stream, you get more views. The moon lady said I bring the crowd. Oh. All right. Bitcoin gone. I haven't seen what's happening with Bitcoin. You know, guys, I'm not a believer in Bitcoin, but it says 54K right now. What is happening with Bitcoin? Is it gonna go to 0? I hope it will. No, I don't hope. I don't want you guys or anyone to lose money, but it will go down eventually. Okay, it's going down. Okay, look at that. Actually, this short has been triggered on the 1 minute on NQ. So this is the 1 minute chart. I zoomed it out. It has been triggered here. Hey, thank you for the subscription, Juan Ochoa. I like the name. Welcome to the channel, Juan Ochoa. Good to see you. Good to have you. So here in this area, it has been triggered. And boom. Classic short. Boom. Didn't go to the optimal entry level. And there's a fair value gap. Sorry, guys. Sorry. This is a fair value gap that it could go for. Gold is still sideways. That's where it can go. How far is that? 49. A healthy 10 points at least. Finally trading again. Nice, Martin. It's melting like an ice cream. It's going to 120K. All right. All right. I saw the other day that Andrew Tate released a new meme coin. I was almost crying of laughter. Look the 15 and say that's a short setup. 15-minute short setup. No, it's not a short. At least, no. I mean, on the 15-minute, if I look at this fair value gap, the thing is that the previous candle, which was at 2 a.m., it only, I mean, it shifted higher, but only with the wick. So this is not a strong structure continuation for me. But I don't know, Sir Burnson. Right now, it seems like it wants to play these, I mean, this short, but I'm not in the trade because even if I would have taken it, it didn't go to the OTE level. So I'm not in it. I'm not in it yet. Looking at gold too. I think I'm still around break even. Yeah, I am. I don't know what's going to happen with gold. I think I picked the wrong market to enter. Yeah, it's really risky. It's risky, and that's why I wasn't really eager to. I mean, look at this sharp move to the upside, and we are at no man's land up here, and it's risky. But you know, we're gonna have London open in about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Hey, Mudmum, yeah, exactly. A few minutes. Same thought here. How you doing? Good to see you. By the way, guys, push the like button and subscribe. Why? Because we're gonna have giveaway in the New York session, and next week we're gonna have cash giveaway, cash prizes coming. From my end, today giveaway is gonna be 3 starter accounts from MyFundedFutures, and the way it's going to work is you need a registration with MyFundedFutures. You can use my link or just register. And the winner is going to get the account directly from MyFundedFutures. It's part of the new launch of their starter account. So it's going to be very simple. We're just going to pick the winner with Streamlabs on the chat. That's how simple it's going to be. The winner, if you would, send me your email address, the one that you registered with MyFundedFutures, and I'm going to send it to the back office, the partnerships, and they're going to activate it. I'm not sure if they're going to activate it instantly today on Friday, but hopefully it will be active over the weekend until Monday, so you can trade on it for next week, right? That's all I can do. But 3 starter accounts. Get ready. Today we're gonna do it today between 8:15 and 9:15. So before the market open, we're gonna pick the winners, so I can send the emails to MyFundedFutures immediately. Okay. I don't know when are they going to activate them. That's why you need to. Ho, come on! I think Bass has just joined the winners club. Thanks for joining, Bass. Welcome to the Winners Club. Thank you. So, all right, Stream Trading, take care. Thanks for dropping by. Bye. Good morning, John. You're still in the shorts, London Open. Yeah. Okay, London Open is happening. Good to see you on the members list, Bass. So as I was saying, we're gonna do it between 8:15 and 9:15, and I'm gonna send the emails to MyFundedFutures. It's up to them. I don't know how fast they're going to issue the accounts, but if not today, on Friday, because I'm guessing they have a lot of emails that they have to look over. But hopefully until Monday, you're gonna get it activated. All right. So next week you'll be able to trade. Maybe if they're going to be fast, then you'll be able to trade it today. But be careful. Don't spoil it on the NFP news, I would say. Jung, you're welcome. And next week we'll do the cash prize giveaway. Okay, it looks like, let me check on the 5-minute. No structure shift on the 5-minute so far. It's still bullish on the 5-minute. There's your second entry. There's a small, yeah, I just wanted to say there was a small liquidity void here at 47. Now it seems like, hey, Kojak, good to see you, or Basikana ne Congo. Small liquidity void getting repriced. Is it gonna continue lower? I don't know. Felix, OMG, with the keep it up badge emoji. Thank you so much. Thank you. Unfortunately, I do have to mute the sound on this one because I haven't changed it yet, but there's gonna be a sound which is copyright protected, so I'm gonna put the mute on for the desktop sounds. And I'm going to give an applause after that. Felix, thank you so much for the support. Thank you, thank you. Keep it up, keep it up. So it's a little bit delayed, by the way, because of Streamlabs. I don't know why it's delayed so much, but there's a delay in the alert and in the chat. It comes in like 30 seconds or 1 minute later. I don't know why is that. Tried to fix it, but there should be a window popping up soon. All right, there you go. Felix, thank you. Applause for Felix. Thank you for supporting. Oh no, my gold trade is out on the window almost. Damn it. Took the wrong side this morning, it seems like it. Right. Yeah, this is my trade on gold. It's not looking good, unfortunately. Yeah, it's gonna get taken out. What can I do? Maybe we'll do something different on Nasdaq next time. Almost out. One more spike. Anyway, I'm not gonna wait for it. We're watching Nasdaq. What's happening here? What is happening? NQ going higher again. Yeah, look at that. Could be going again for those highs. Who knows? Who knows? Ba-dum-bum. Anna, hey there. I think we're going for the 500. Yeah. Yeah, we were talking about this level. The 500 is definitely getting closer and closer. It's a whole number. Everybody likes it. Market likes it, usually. Juanacho, hey, so far, what prop firm have you liked the most? And if you can specify why, if you don't mind. Just curious. Yeah, I mean, so far, you know, I'm trading with all of these that you see up there. I like technically all of them. And not just because they're paying affiliate money, right? Because I know everybody, I have some people who like to say that to me, but not just because of that. It's also, I got most of my payouts from TOPSTEP. I got one payout from MyFundedFutures. I don't have payouts with Apex yet, so I'm not a Lambo trader. I don't have the Lambo in the garage. I don't have payout with Take Profit Trader and BULENOX yet. I have funded accounts with them. But to tell you the truth, my favorite is MyFundedFutures so far. The TOPSTEP is also absolutely, I would say, maybe my second favorite. But BULENOX is coming up very strongly. MyFundedFutures, I like the way they handle the rules. I like their rule set, even on the starter account. And the expert account gives you the less rules, the least of rules in the market with futures prop firms. I know many people hate these prop firms, or there's always someone who hates this and that and the other. Definitely, my favorite is MyFundedFutures. The micro mini conversions, the expert account has no rules technically. The only one rule is the news trading, but otherwise you can do whatever. And the DCA rule you can add to your losing trades, but if you're solely just DCAing, that's not allowed. That's it. Otherwise, no withdrawal cap, no consistency rule, end of day trading drawdown. With the withdrawal policy is very good. So yeah, but every prop firm has its own perks and features. That's what I say. And every person, every trader has their own thing that you like in a specific prop firm. For example, many people like Take Profit Trader because their payout policy is the fastest in the market. You can take out money any day. Any day you can just click out and it's going to be wired on the same day. People who are taking payouts, I'm not yet, saying that you click on it and it's wired to you in a few hours, it's on your bank account. So it's like having a wallet or something, I don't know. But yeah, I don't have a Lambo yet, Sir Burnson. Yes, you can trade TOPSTEP with TraderWeight. Yeah, let's see what happens here on NQ. Yeah, the fastest payouts is with Take Profit Trader. It's like an instant wallet, you know. Just you click on it and it's instantly removed and getting wired to your bank account, like super fast. That's the fastest. I heard people saying that Take Profit Trader was so fast. Of course, it was in the US and the ACH wire, it's a little bit faster. I'm not an expert, that's what they said. It was so fast, they had the money on their account in an hour or less than an hour, something like that. They clicked on it and it was already on its way. I don't know how they do it. The new funded future account. Yeah, the MyFundedFutures starter account is really good. That's why we're doing the giveaway as well. Expert, yeah, the expert account from MyFundedFutures is, by the way, the best in the market. If you compare it to the, it's more expensive. I get it, but no activation fee as well. No activation fee. If you're looking for the least amount of rules, then the MyFundedFutures expert account is the one. There's also small details. You have to flip the account once every week. You cannot microscalp for less than 5 points on Nasdaq if you're holding it for less than 6 seconds. So got to add that too. So that's also a thing, and no news trading. But it's pretty much the same on some other prop firms, but no withdrawal cap, no consistency rule. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, as I said, the micro scalping thing, you can do a few micro scalp. So I was listening to their Discord space the other week, and they said that if they see micro scalping a few times, it's all right. But if that's solely your strategy, that you're just algorithmically like enter the market for 3 seconds, go for 5 ticks, not 5 points, 5 ticks or 6 ticks, and your exit with like 10 contracts or 5 contracts minis, then that's something as a red flag. But if they see it happening a few times, but otherwise you have a healthy equity curve with proper risk management, it's fine. That's what they said. So because they also look over the account when anybody asks for a withdrawal. They also denied payouts, just like Apex and just like TOPSTEP and just like others. I have news from payout denials from almost like every of these prop firms, but you know, what can we say? Aren't you able to get a free reset with TOPSTEP? No, I'm sorry, Mudmum. Unfortunately, I'm not. They only do that sometimes at TOPSTEP TV. So, hey, look at this, guys. I don't know how, but my gold trade so far survived this move. I don't know how I did that, but look at this. It was pretty close to the stop here. It was pretty close. Can you trade the news with take profit? Sorry, take profit, no. No, you cannot trade the news. You can, by the way, at Take Profit Trader also, you can do everything, anything. You can DCA, you can do whatever you like. But on the funded account, there is one rule, no news trading. That's it, at Take Profit Trader. Otherwise, you can do whatever the hell you want. You can micro scalp, you can DCA, you can do anything with Take Profit Trader. The only rule on the funded account is no news trading. Yeah. But there's also one negative thing which you have to be aware of with Take Profit Trader is the daily loss limit. If you breach the daily loss limit, that's a hard breach. So you're blowing up the whole account if you get over the daily loss limit, which is I think $1,100 on the 50K account. So if you by accident don't watch for it, don't have a stop loss, it goes over it, you've blown the whole account, even the funded account. So be careful with that. That's the negative point with Take Profit Trader. Otherwise, you can do everything and the fastest withdrawal in the market. The gold trade is fighting, yeah. You added more contracts. I'm gonna check it out, Marcus. Just a minute. Let me update myself with the chat here. And they have drawdown. Yeah, daily drawdown. Yeah. 250 in the pocket. Nice, lots of congrats. Tom, do you know who is I don't know. Tommy Kabaj? No, I don't know. MyFunded, close your PA account because I trade the news. It was you traded on news, yeah. I heard other people saying that MyFunded Futures closed their funded accounts because of news trading. I actually know a guy in person here in my country who actually left MyFunded Futures because they closed his account because of news trading. I don't know what to say. Marcos, let's see. Marcos sent me a chart here. Let's see. This is the chart of Marcos. Let's go. Look at this guy. He's riding the wave. This is the chart of Marcos. He's riding it. He's going with it. Nice job there. Good job. Crude is on the move. He told me about American inflation and possibility of big short. I'm reading some articles online. I'm absolutely not good in economics and stuff like that, but I like to read about some stuff like this. And many people are saying, and I'm not going to go into details on names, but I was reading Financial Times too and Bloomberg, and many people are saying, CEOs of the S&P 500 are saying that the big crash is coming. So they did a survey amongst the CEOs of S&P 500, and 80% of or 83% of the CEOs are saying that they see a possible crash in the second half of the year in October or November, I think. And don't forget that the Magic 7, or as they called it, the big companies like Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, and the others, Apple, they are pulling the market, right? But the smaller, quote-unquote, smaller companies in the S&P 500, they are having credit issues, They're having financial issues in the background, and they don't see the future that bright, those small companies. And the survey said, and this just an article, I'm just saying that I was reading in an article, that they're saying that they're expecting a huge crash because of this credit loan or whatever issue. I don't even know the details, man. But in October or November, anyway. We have election too, so I'm guessing the markets are gonna go up until election, and after election could be the crash. Who knows? We'll see. For now, we still go up. Yeah, election year, exactly, Joy. Because they were also writing about this. Because it's election year, the markets are determined to go higher and higher. So, yeah, we're going to just start shorting. Good morning, Gunhammer. Good to see you. We're just going to go short, guys. If the crash comes, we just change the direction and go short. Who cares? Highest preference, it may crash. Nice, Serdar. There you go. Why the boys are so quiet? Which boys? Oh wow, gold might be giving up here. Not good. Should have exited while I could. I had a little bit of hope for my gold trade here, but now it seems like it was too early. Not looking good. Actually, there was a liquidity void here. I think it's not looking good. Maybe I should close it with a small loss. Yeah, it's gonna go down. If it goes down, where can it go? Is it gonna go back to the weave up, or just hold on, or just taking some liquidity down here? Look at that. I'm gonna check the 1 minute chart here. If it goes down, because that's like a sell side liquidity right there on the 1 minute. It looks like it might want to go down. Relative equal lows 2 times 1, 2. Also Asia low. Damn it, man. Could be going down. Very unfortunate. London boys, right? Lane price action again. Yeah, it's very bad. It's not good. Even gold is betraying me. Gold likes to make dirty moves. I realize that now. Today, a very beautiful day. For Marcus, it's definitely... Marcus is going to finance all of our evaluation accounts, everyone. So the giveaway is going to come from Marcus next time. So I hope he wins today. Make some good profits, man. We need those giveaways from you. You're sponsoring it. Yeah, it's gonna go down definitely. Yeah, almost out from the gold trade. Only a few ticks more. Yeah, this price action is just so bad. He's already winning. This is god awful. I agree, Joaquin. I totally agree. Oh, that definitely, Serdar. Definitely. I'm gonna actually ask them about that too, because that would be really something to have them give away expert accounts. That would be awesome. You're sitting out. Yeah. Catch you in New York, apps. Do you think the market is efficient? Well, I don't know. Efficient? Not really efficient today. if I may say. Gold is not that bad, but it's looking for a long period. Yeah, for a long period, absolutely. Please call market makers. I have the bet phone right here for the market makers, so I can call them. Waiting for pre-market open. Yeah, that's gonna be like in 40 minutes, right? Here's the place where they always pull the shenanigans. Yeah. Yeah. This is the area. Look at this. Wow. Come on, gold. Just take me out from my misery. Let me focus on something else. Come on, gold. Please. Just take me out. I'm begging you. I don't want to stare at my gold chart on the left screen. It's just, you know, just get on with it. And what else do we have? I would be look to go short on Nasdaq if it, you know, gives an opportunity here. But it looks like it's just go. And generally, what? Sage might get heart attack. Be careful when you ask about expert. No, I'm always trying to be, you know, very humble. I mean, not that way like, hey guys, can you help me out? I mean, I asked for them 2 times before, MyFundedFutures, to help me out with the giveaway, and then they immediately said yes, of course. And but this time they have 3 starter accounts, so that's good. Come on, gold, take me out. I hate when it dances around my stop loss and it's not taking me out. I want to get through with this. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Just take me out already. Let me move on. Let me move on with my life. Come on. It's frustrating to see it dancing around my stop loss. Just let me go. Let me go. Yeah, that's it. Come on. All right, I'm not going to look at it here. Oh, look at the NQ. A shift to the downside. How much time do we need? 1 minute and 33 seconds to close this one. Okay, I'm out from gold, finally. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, double top. And for murder. Thank you. Look at this. Let's wait for this candle to close. Let's see if this is going to be a real shift to the downside or not. As for gold, well, I don't know. I don't know. On gold, we do have some levels on the downside, but but where can it go? I'd like to see it go all the way down, at least to 68-ish, if it does. I don't know, 68. Let me check that level. 68. Yeah, it could go down. Not sure for how long, but it could. There's a good sell side liquidity at 67.5 too, with those relative equal lows down there. Might want to take it out, but NQ, okay, NQ closed lower. This is technically a shift. I'm thinking on it, Matt Scalper. I'm actually thinking on it to YOLO 2 or 3 or 4 evaluations And actually, yes, I am definitely thinking on it, because I want to have at least 1 or 2 more funded accounts with Apex and or Buleanox. Those are the cheap ones that we can YOLO. I don't want to mess around too much with MyFundedFutures YOLOing, because obviously it's more expensive. I don't want to throw that money out the window, because obviously if I YOLO these accounts, I'm gonna have some blown evaluation accounts there. But from Apex and or Buleanox, I would like to have an extra funded account. Happy 5th. Hey there, Abs. I'm bullish. I'm not long. I'm not in any position here. A little bit sad about the gold trade here, but I'm not in anything. I hope goes for Asia low. So New York up for London. Yeah, could be. If this candle is leaving this fair value gap open, then it actually creates a classic short entry, you know. But it's hard to say until then. So just gotta wait. The good thing is that there's quite a bit of news before New York opens, so maybe we get some. Yeah, exactly, Jan. This move does not scare me. Marcus, guys, Marcus is diamond hands. I'm telling you, he is holding it. He has the power, like He-Man. I have the power. That's what he said, right? Anyway, let's push like, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have giveaways today and next week as well. Cash prizes, starter accounts from MyFundedFutures, and all the good stuff. And if you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. It helps me be here full time. Thank you so much. Thank you. We're waiting. I'm definitely waiting for this candle to give us an opportunity to go short. I'm actually tempted to take it, but it's tricky. It's a tricky one because we're so high up here, and it was a sharp move. And look at that. Since yesterday, it's just going higher and higher. It's hard to trust this move to the downside, but it could return to the midnight area. So I'm hoping that we can get maybe a short. I know it's fading Marcos, and I don't want to go against him. But, you know, he's good because he can add to his trade. I'm just looking to go short if I have the opportunity. And Maverick and the boys are again flying above my house, so that's great. They do this every morning. The dog is barking. All we need is the lawnmower, and everything is in place then. I think you guys can hear it. All right, 44.25. Let's see, where would be the optimal entry? $43.50, maybe. Could be. It's going down. Gold is holding. Still no entry. Okay, that would be 42.75, and it's still going down. All right, no entry. Just going down. Is it the neighbor with the leave? No, it's fighter jets. You know, Maverick and the boys, Tom Cruise and the crew. Maybe they're filming Top Gun 3 or whatever, but they're messing up the airspace right now. Okay. 42 right now. Optimal trade entry would be at 42. I put a limit entry at 42. Limit entry, limit short at 42. Let's see if it gets triggered or not. Iceman, yeah. Goes down, baby. Let's go, Piñon Mendez. Live outside the USA. Hello. I have to go. All right. See you in New York session, Vida. Have a good one. Most traders are not online now. Should live outside. Yeah. Yeah. We are all outside, almost, not everybody, but a lot of us are outside the US, I guess. Okay, there's my limit entry. That's all I have now. But nothing so far. Nothing so far. Just waiting. All right, let's see. Let's see what goes on. Oh, the lawnmower just started. Okay, so that's bullish. And he's on schedule. This is the third time this week he's cutting the grass, so it should be working out. I mean, if someone is bullish. Okay, risk reward ratio is good until then. They start to go down with force. I don't see a real limit. Good morning, Trading Star. Yeah, if it's going down this strongly, I have to delete my limit order. I'm also watching gold. I don't know what it will do. The 5 minutes so far is holding this area, but no. Gold is a little bit tricky this morning, for sure. That's for sure. So I don't know what to make of NQ at this point. On the 5-minute, it was still looking good, but I'm not gonna. Okay, I don't think I want this to go back up there, because if it goes back up there, it would be a risky short to take it after this move. It's taking out some sell side here and maybe here, and then it's like the probabilities are much lower to go down. So yeah. I will have quite a weekend. Yeah. Made 400 times 20. Jesus, DM. Congratulations there. Wow. That's nice. That is nice. Okay, look at that. Now it's going back. Thank you, Mary. I work early morning. Unfortunately, I missed the short. No problem. Happy Friday to you too, and see you next week. Have a great weekend, Mary. Thanks for dropping by. So I didn't take a trade on this, but I don't know. Just watching this. I'm the one who should be thanking you, Mary. I'm the one who's thanking the viewers, and you too. 4:30. Okay. By the way, let's look at this on the 1 hour. Reaching down to the... Is there a small fair value? No. Reaching down here. I'm not sure. I don't know. Gold is also acting up there. Break 426, come on. I wish I would say I got into this trade, but I'm in this short, but I had no entry. I still have my limit order up there, but it's getting a little bit well, late. If it takes out this swing low at 26, then I might deleting my limit order, because that's just gonna make this a lower probability entry. And since we're in London, as Joey said in Friends, in London, no sign of NQ retracing higher, so it should be breaking the 26. Gold could be moving higher into the order block. How about that? I think it will. It seems like it. It seemed like it. Gold just wants to take that. Look at that. Who knows? I wonder if it... Well... If it really wants to go for the order block... This is not a structure shift. What's the high of this? The high of this is 73.2. The close of this is 73.2. So, not the perfect one, but it's actually a valid one. Let's see. I'm gonna be watching gold for maybe one more chance to go into the order block, maybe for a scalp, but Anyway, let's go back to NQ. See what happens. You're long at 22. All right. I think it's pull back to 420 and go back to 41. Could be. Retracement at weave up. Be an interesting entry. Yeah, there could be. Yeah, if we go down to weave up, that could definitely generate some entries. I'm still watching gold. It's not giving me the entry that I was looking for. But you know, we'll see. Curious if it wants to go to that 76.8 up there. I don't know. Anyway, gold is tricky. No, I'm not. No, I'm not, Spygirl. I mean, I'm looking to maybe scalp it, but it's hard to say. I'm very convinced. I'm very convinced that we should be visiting this order block. I just don't have an entry. But still, if someone is a discretionary trader, that doesn't mean you cannot jump in as long as you can manage risk. But I am very convinced. Also, my gut feeling tells me everything is in my head. And there's a lot of things in my head lining up that gold should be entering the order block. But, oops, sorry, just a quickie phone call. I have to take this phone call, guys. All right. Quickie phone. Oh, look at gold. I had to talk about it, and it's just going higher. It's just going higher, and I don't have my entry. Gold is tricky. It's playing mind games. I'm gonna cry like a baby. Yeah. And I was in this trade. It took me out. You guys remember, don't you? It took me out here. Boom. Took my stop loss. And now it's going to my level. Now, how frustrating is that, guys? Don't tell me it's not frustrating, because it's frustrating. It took me out, boom, and goes to my level. Yes, I can say that shoulda, woulda, coulda use a wider stop loss, but sounds normal, Greg. Lots of us, yeah, lots of you were right. Gold is difficult to trade, but yeah, I like that, Greg. Sounds normal to me. I went in too early, but when should I enter then? I was just curious. I'm really, guys, help me out here. When should I have entered? Should I went down to the 1 minute maybe, or what? I went in too early, but I had no entry here. It's gonna go to the order block. I'm 90% sure that it's gonna go into the order block. It's out of question that it should be going into the order block. NQ is going high. I still have my limit order on NQ, I think. Do I have it? I have my limit order on NQ. Jesus, holy baby Christ. I still have my entry order 42. 442. Wow. Wow, wow. Let's see. M and Q. What is happening here? 42. 42. All right. 42. I still have it. I still have my limit order. Let me show you. Almost triggered into the trade, guys. Can I show this? MNQ. No, this is not it. Where is it? I'm gonna have to open a MNQ. This is this. I'm gonna choose this. I have it on MyFundedFutures. And where is it? No. Which account is this? Oh, this one. Okay. Risking $110. Come on. Come on. Just one wick. One tick. One tick. Take me into the trade. All right. We're in. Oh, wow. How does it look like? 55.75. I have to change that. 55.75. All right. I'm gonna put the limit down to I want to look for, so I'm in a short on NQ. Let's see how it goes based on the 5-minute chart. Got tagged in right there. Oh man. Let's see. Sounds like better. I'm buying at 23.74. Let's go. We're gonna keep an eye on gold as well. No frustration because stop could be bigger. Yeah, exactly, Dominic, exactly. I'm in a short on NQ and I was hoping for a long on gold, but I got taken out here and now it's going to my direction. So my long position got taken out down here and now look at it. That's it. That's it. And yeah, what can I say? It is what it is. I'm in a super dangerous short position because NQ is super bullish. So taking a short here is super risky. Very extremely risky. But we are professional gamblers. You know, we know what we're doing. We know how much we're risking. And that's it. So one stop loss today, and I'm looking to looking for this. If it goes higher, then I don't even know what to do. Anyway, you too, Tom. You too, Tom. Yes, I can't. I just reading what you're saying and. I'm calling you Tom. You too, Greg. Yes. It's the sleeping disorder that I have. I'm telling you guys, I have a sleeping disorder. I think it's official by now. I don't want to take any pills or anything, but I do have a sleeping disorder. I go to sleep too late. I can't even sleep. I just, I just lay on the bed and watch the ceiling. That's all I do. And I'm just not sleeping, I have some kind of an insomnia or whatever, and I can't speak. I don't want to take anything. I don't want to take anything, really. If I really should, I mean, I don't know. I would short, but it's, yeah, it's a risky one. It's still bullish. All right. Looks like NQ may want to go higher. Yeah, it looks like to me too. Tom and Greg from I couldn't read that. Shall I give you a small advice? Sure, definitely, Trading Star. Close your charts, right? That will be the advice. Close the charts. Stop streaming. Yeah, might be. Alcohol is the solution. I'm gonna write it down. Actually, when the doctor is asking me, I'm gonna say joy, freedom. Alcohol is the solution. Got it. Alcohol is the solution. Maybe I should drink a beer when I go to sleep or whatever. I like wine too. Wine is good. Beer is good. FX and Trophy, it's a good stress buy. I haven't even looked at ES, by the way. Oh, I just reading your previous comment, text there, FX and Trophy. I'm short with Tom. It works, I'm a genius. It is. You know, I got used to this. I don't care. I got used to this. I got used to that FX and Trophy usually has quite the opposite trade. Yeah, he's always fading me, so this is some kind of a glitch in the matrix today. Don't say you have a sleeping disorder, because then you're already... Oh, okay. That's a good thing. Yeah. Tequila with salt and lemon we trust. Good thing. Robert, hey. Remind me of Tom and Greg from the TV show Succession. Oh, I heard about that show. It's I didn't see any of that, but all I know is that the head of the family dies and there's a lot of money, like, you know, and everybody's fighting over the inheritance or heritage, something like that, right? But I didn't see that. I might check it out. Watch what you say, definitely. You're right, Trading Star. You're right. I had a good long sol waiting for position. All right. All right. You have to watch? All right. I'll check on it. You're right, Trading Star. Watch what we're saying, guys. So I'm going to say this. Next year, 1 year from now, I'm going to be driving my BMW 850. I don't need an M8, I realize, because I don't need 600 horsepower. I'm going to be driving my 850 BMW. Two-door coupe. Not a four-door. Two-door coupe. I'm going to be driving it in the sunset next to the sea. Here. I mean, not here, in Croatia. I have a beautiful place there I like to visit. And I'm going to be doing a live stream to you guys from the car. That's what's going to happen. These are just facts, you know. This is a fact. It's only a time factor. So we're going for that. That's it. I might gonna lease it. Yeah, that's a good question. Lotso is asking for lease. Yeah, I might gonna take it up for lease, or maybe I'm gonna rent it. I don't know. But yeah, if you know, why not? Why should I pay? For example, why should I pay $100,000 for a car, and I have a cash flow in a company? I can lease the car. You know, at least that's what I would do, no matter what car I'm talking about. I would be paying a lease on a car like that. Why would I put the cash into a car? It's gonna depreciate like 50% in 2 years. Worst investment. And you know, I lease it for a year, maybe 2 years, and then I dump the car, and that's it. I think that would be the logical. With a car that is an expensive one, right? If you have an expensive car, like over 100K or whatever, even not just 100K, whatever, you know, why would I put the cash? Even if I'm rich, or when I'm rich, because we're all going to be rich, why would I'm just going to lease it. You speak like a Susan Harbor sunset. Yeah. Just from 1 week payment. Yeah. Yes, I'm going to buy a computer in 30 minutes. Okay. Funny thing is, I still don't know what to buy. Can you help me choose? Dude, I know so not I don't know anything about computers. Anything. I'm so bad in guys, look at this. Guys. Look at this. Look at this gold. Second chance. Bullish breaker, guys. Bullish breaker. Almost missed it. How much was it? 3 micros. Low of the candle is 73.1. Stop is at 70.3. I'm gonna do 4. All right, I have a limit order on gold placed. I'm gonna let you guys know if it starts to go. I want this to go into the order block. That's it. Bullish breaker. Almost missed it. Unfortunately, it's not going to be good for my NQ trade. But it is what it is. Let me go back here. Think and grow rich. Yes. You're a European. You should know lots about. I don't know anything about computers, guys. I mean, not anything, but really. ThinkPad. I don't know what that is. It sounds to me like a hoverboard from Back to the Future. What is that? XPS16. Now that sounds like the machine that opens up a portal to another dimension. I don't know what that is. I need great performance. I'm a geek. All right. Now, guys, I'm just over trading because it's Friday, right? I'm already over trading. Falcon F10, F15 computers are good. Now that sounds like a fighter jet. All these names of these computers, guys, this is amazing. Am I triggered in the gold trade? I got triggered into the gold. Let's see, 71. I'm in a gold long. 71 is my stop. For now, it's my stop. And I'm looking to get to 70. 71. 77. 1. Okay, I'm in a long trade on gold. And now, because it's a little bit contradicting to each other, I might have to think to close the Nasdaq trade. Especially like seeing this not working as it should, but I don't know. Double risk, guys. I doubled my risk on the account. Unless you're doing creative stuff, you would go with Windows notebook laptop. If you okay, got censored by YouTube. Are you going to get any of the MyFundedFutures discount? Oh yeah, check it out, boys and gals. 5% off, $76. No activation fee. That's it. That's all you pay. Nothing more. Let's see what happens here. Gold is picking up a little bit, but the NQ trade is not looking too good. Let's see how it goes. I was thinking about TOMSABO trading with my own money and have on eval. Yeah, but eventually, you know, the final goal of us trading would be to trade with our own personal capital, right? But you don't need to trade with 20k. For example, if you want to trade with futures, I won't say you, for example, you have to deposit 20k into your account, or not even 10k. Of course, depending on your financial situation, but you know, I would be okay with, for example, 3 or 4k, depositing 3 or 4k and go absolutely with micros. And if I can make at least a few $100s or maybe 1,000 in a month, that would be great as a plus income. That would be great. So you need to have 25k minimum. Really? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know that. I thought, you know, I registered with M Futures last year, and it's like the minimum is I don't even know, a few $100s, I think, or maybe you have an option to deposit 100, but I don't know. You can start with a few hundred. Anyway, the Nasdaq trade so far is okay. Where is this? MNQ. Where is that? MGC. Here is the gold trade I'm in, and here's the NQ trade I'm in. So far in profit, but you know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Fast Track Trader is the king right now. I heard many people are trying them out, so Marcus was telling me about TOPSTEP, and we'll give them a try. I don't know about FX and Trophy. I think TOPSTEP is, because it's one of the OGs, they're definitely trustworthy. So TOPSTEP is trustworthy. They're OG in the business since 12 years now, I think. So yeah. I have old MacBook Pro 215. Okay. That's a good one. My PC is getting old too. It's like 6 years old now, but it still does the job. But I'm fine with it. I don't like how Nasdaq is acting on this level. It's creating support to push it higher. Honestly, guys, I'm thinking to close the trade on Nasdaq with a break even. But one of the #1 rules from Mark Douglas, if you put the trade on, just, you know, leave it. Because if you close it and goes to your direction, then you're going to mess your mind up totally. So the only thing I can do is leave it for now. And, you know, play out the edge. I think Buleanox are underrated. Yeah, they are, by the way. They are. Buleanox is definitely underrated. You do not check NVIDIA. Yeah, let's check on NVIDIA. What is happening? Oh my god. Now this puts our Nasdaq trade into jeopardy. Okay. Alright. The Nasdaq trade is definitely not looking good. NVIDIA is making new highs here soon, so oh my god, that's not good. I really don't like this. Alright, it's going higher. Damn it. NQ is going higher. Jesus. What can I do? It's gonna take me out. It's gonna take me out. Unfortunately. Who would have thought, you know? I have a connection issue right now with Apex. I do have to disconnect again and connect again. Apex is acting up weird again. Yeah, sorry. Look in Discord. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. I see that, Dominic. Good levels there. 3.5 up there. Yeah, looking good. Will TOPSTEP work with? Yeah, they work with trader weight. Yeah, Joy, I know you told me 100 times. I know. First few minutes of the new 1 hour. Yeah. NQ went down fast, which is a red flag for sellers for me. I don't like that. Yeah. Told ya, 41. It's true. It's true. Let's see what happens here. Unfortunately, I think it wants to take me out, but let's see. If it goes up a little bit more, then I'm out. If not, well, there's an answer to that too. Prepared my replay. Refund my bloody trade. If NQ, come on, don't do this with me. It's crazy how Apex closed their Discord. Yeah, I don't know. But they say officially that they're going to restart it, because one thing's for sure, every time I went there and looked around, it was so negative and toxic. Everybody was throwing garbage on the Discord, and you know, I didn't even like to read that because it was so negative and toxic there. And That's it. I just checked out the notice board or whatever, but when I went into the main chat, it was terrible. So I guess they're gonna do some refurbishing with their server. Don't know. Still in this trade, I'm watching it, but I don't know. Not too overconfident. It's still holding, but I'm not sure for how long. Double bottom. I have a nice trend break, 10 points, nice. Confluence NQ goes up because of Magnificent 7 are moving. So check these 7, yeah. The Apex mods are trash, literally. Well, yeah, sometimes it was crazy what was going on there. For many times they didn't even have Discord, just saying. I mean, they didn't even have a Discord for quite a long time. And everything was smooth. Almost out. I'm out. All right. I'm out. Feels bad. But what can I say? I underestimated the situation. I was really up for this short entry. That is what it is. Took me out. 2 losses today, and I have 1 more gold trade open. Not gonna be my best day for sure. But yeah. If the gold trade works out, it can take me back to somewhere around break even. Yeah, silver bullet for you. Yeah. Don't mess with the main trend. Exactly. Close to all-time high with that spike. Yeah, it is. The gold is still running, but you know, if it breaks this all-time high, I just can't be looking for another trade, especially maybe it goes to 500, but I can't be looking for another trade. I just can't. I can't risk more on Nasdaq. I just can't. At least not in this session. So I'm looking at gold, but of course I'm going to be checking Nasdaq too. But what can I say? I messed it up. I own it, and that's it. My only trust now is in gold. At least to put me back on track. Are we going to make new all-time high? I think we're going. Yeah. Fast Track Trading. It's a new prop firm with instant funded accounts. So you don't have to do challenge or evaluation, whatever. You can buy instantly a funded account for a few $100s. Instant funded account. With futures. NQ is playing NFP tomorrow. Yeah. Also, if the London kill zone ends up, then could be going sideways until the NFP news. So gotta be careful. Also, guys, if someone is new here, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the New York session. After 8:15, I'll try to be here on time. We're gonna do a giveaway. 3 MyFundedFutures starter account giveaways coming, guys, in the New York session. Stay tuned. I'll be back around 8:15, 8:20 something. I'm not. I might gonna YOLO the news with 1 or 2 accounts. We'll see. But around 9 a.m. plus minus or after the news, we're gonna pick the winners for the giveaway. All right. The only criteria for it is you have to have a registration with MyFundedFutures. If you are in a restricted country, then unfortunately it's not going to work out for you. But next week there's going to be cash giveaway too, so cash prize as well. But this one is going to come from MyFundedFutures, as to build up the hype a little bit for the new starter plan. And of course, why not? And they're going to activate the account for the winner. That's also, make sure you're not in a restricted country, and the winner should be posting me your email, and I'm going to forward it to MyFundedFutures. So we're going to pick the winner. The winner should be making a screenshot from your YouTube and send it to me with your email, with MyFundedFutures, with your name and email, and I'm going to send it to them. I don't know if they're going to activate it straight away, but if not today, hopefully today, then until Monday it's going to be activated, and you can trade, of course. That was it. The target on gold. I want to go into the order blocks, so it's around 78-ish on futures. That would be the target. Marcus is still long. Thing will profit, yeah. Bless me with account, bro, Tom. Say, I bless you. It's just, you just have to be here on the live stream, and everybody can. We're gonna do it with Streamlabs, so we're gonna type exclamation mark, whatever. We're gonna find out a word, and then everybody gets one ticket. And Streamlabs, I'm gonna put it to the screen. We're just gonna click on pick winners, and it's gonna pick the winner. That's how simple it's gonna be. And then you will send me your email and the screenshot of your YouTube that is in fact you, and that's it. That's how simple. And I'm gonna forward it to MyFundedFutures, and they're going to activate the account for the winner. That's it. But don't ask me if how much time does it take to activate, because I'm guessing they're gonna have a lot of emails today. So maybe they're gonna activate it during the New York session, maybe in the PM session, maybe over the weekend. I cannot guarantee, but we'll make sure that it's gonna get activated so you can trade at least on Monday. But if we're lucky, they're gonna activate it today. If you guys want to push it, I suggest not to push it that hard. It's Friday. Start a fresh week with the new accounts, you know. I'm asleep. All right, Riggs. You have TOPSTEP. Marco says TOPSTEP. Activation meaning you have to have an account with. No. You don't have to have an account with them. Just register to MyFundedFutures. You don't have to have an account. They're just going to put the account under your email, under your registration. You're just going to see a new account there. That's it. You're going to have a new account. That's how simple. Tom has my certificate. I sent it to him first email. Oh, yeah. True. Marcos sent me his certificate. Yeah. All right, Bradbury. Oh no, gold is going down. Gold is playing mind tricks, guys. I'm telling you, gold is playing it was so close to my TP. It was actually 77.1, but it's just not going for it. Not now. By the way, I was trading hindsight while I was talking to you guys. So I'm a bad person. I'm a liar, actually. You know, as they say, I'm a liar because I was trading hindsight. So I made $100 on my funded account, one of my funded accounts, because I was scalping on Nasdaq earlier. So actually I'm up in a little bit of profit, but I lied. All right. I'm trading hindsight here. I'm only showing you the good trades. I'm not talking about the losses. Marshall, hey there. So I'm still waiting for this gold to go. The move is done. Now consolidation. Yeah, I think it will. Yeah, I think I agree with you there, Joey. The move is pretty much done. Everybody's going to focus on NFP, and most likely there's going to be huge, I mean, just consolidating and going sideways. So don't forget $40 for the big Apex accounts. The sale is still going on until, I don't even know, until the 9th of, so until Sunday or Monday, I don't even know. $40 for the big accounts, $85 activation fee, lifetime until the mid of August if you can pass the account until then. Go check him out. All right. No activation fee on MyFundedFutures new starter account. 5% off if you use my code. No activation fee and no activation fee on Take Profit Trader. No more. They said goodbye activation fees. And the expert account, of course, still is the biggest in the market. Still waiting. Gold will also consolidate. That's what I'm afraid of. Are there any coupons? No coupons for TOPSTEP SpyGirl. The only thing that they do at times like this is they give 20% additional discount for new registrations. That's all. But if you already have an account, well, if you click on my link still, if you have a reset, and 50% off from reset. So if you still click on my account before you purchase a reset, that gives me some credit. But usually they only do coupon codes during live TOPSTEP TV. But so far, that's it. Erakan, hey there, good to see you. What's happening? No accounts with TOPSTEP. Well, if you register for a brand new account, you can get an additional 20%. It's even bigger if you go with, for example, 150K account. You get $30 down, or you can get a 50K account for $40 and 50% off from your first reset. So that's the thing you can do. There's a link in the chat somewhere. You can use it if you anytime. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I'm afraid it's going to be sideways action from here on out. But it looks like a good long position on Nasdaq. It actually it's a continuation in the structure. This 5-minute candle closed higher, and this is like an inversion gap. I know you guys like inversion gaps. Look at this, boom. It can actually shoot higher if you really want to go for it. The problem is that I don't know if we're going to have enough volume to 46, 56 to push it 10 points. I guess we could, but it's a tricky one. If it goes through, I don't like this. I'm on Mac with TOPSTEP. Yeah, you can go if you're on Mac. I'm not sure about TOPSTEP X, but you can use TradeAwait Web Trader. So you can use the browser, use your browser as trading. And you can also use Ninja Trader as web trader, because there is a Ninja Trader Web. That's all I know for Mac users. I'm not sure about TOPSTEP X if it's available on Mac, but I know that some people are using trader weight. So if you go with trader weight, you have to use the web trader, I think. And you should be fine. Can you re-explain the Apex promo for? Yeah, sure. $40. $40 for the 150, the 250, and the 300K accounts. So that's the cheapest big size account in the market right now. So it's a monthly $40. So it's not just the first month. And if you can pass the account until the 15th of August, then you have an opportunity to activate the account for $85 lifetime. So that's a lifetime activation fee. If you cannot pass the account until the 15th of August, that's still fine. Of course, the activation fee is much higher. It's like $200, $300 for the lifetime. But if I would do that, and if I can't pass it until the 15th of August, I would choose the monthly, because there's a monthly fee as well, which is also $85. But that's it. Also, if you blow the account, you can keep the subscription, because next month you're going to be reset, and you can still have a big account for the same discount, right? So it's for the big account. The smaller accounts for the 50K and so on, it's 80% down. I think it's 80% or something. Yeah. You're welcome. TSA. Okay, there you go. It works any computer. There you go. TOPSTEP X is web-based. So any computer. Making a switch from Ninja to Quant Tower. Good, Kevin. That's good. That's good. So anyway, what is the consistency rules for TOPSTEP? There is only one consistency rule on the combine account, which is the evaluation account. It's a 50% consistency rule. So basically you can pass the combine account in 2 days. I know it's hard to sort it out, but you can actually pass it in 2 days. That's the only thing. There is no consistency rule on the funded accounts, and there's a daily drawdown limit, and there's an overall drawdown. So for a 50K account, for example, the daily drawdown is $1,000. The overall drawdown is $2,000. It's end of day trailing, so end of day balance is going to determine your next day drawdown, total drawdown limit. It's a soft breach. If you breach the daily drawdown limit, it's going to be a soft breach, and you can continue the next day. And that's it. The same goes on the funded account. The only plus on the evaluation or combine account is there is a consistency rule of 50%, but that's it. You can trade the news. So far, you can trade the news on the funded accounts. You can do pretty much anything you want on the funded accounts with TOPSTEP. Anything. There's no restrictions so far, and I hope it stays that way. The payout policy is you have to make $200 for 5 days. It doesn't have to be consecutive 5 days, but you need to have 5 days above $200 of profit. And it's similar like MyFundedFutures does right now. I think MyFundedFutures got the idea from TOPSTEP, of course, that if you take out money from your funded account, then it's gonna lock in the drawdown at 0. Like at TOPSTEP, you start the funded account from 0, right? So you have a negative drawdown to go with. But for example, if you have a $2,000 drawdown and you reach, for example, $1,000 profit on your funded account, and you take out $500 because you can, then the drawdown is going to lock into 0. So just reminder, it's actually encouraging you to build up more cushion, more safety threshold before. But you have the opportunity, you have the you can choose if you want to take out earlier profits, but it's going to lock you in at 0 as a penalty, quote unquote. So just a reminder. Daniel, good morning. DCA allowed. DCA is allowed at TOPSTEP, and no stop loss required on TOPSTEP. No stop loss required. DCA is allowed. You can trade the news. You can do pretty much everything you want on the funded account. It's not that confusing, actually. TOMSTEP wants you to build up a safety threshold. It's up to you what size of that safety threshold is going to be, but they also give you the chance to take out payout if you have like $1,000 or $1,200 on your account and you want to go for that fast money. You know, I want to take out money as fast as possible. You can actually take it out, 50% of the profits, of course. So you can take out money. It's up to you when you ask for a payout if you meet the 5 winning days criteria. It's up to you. How many funded accounts allowed? Currently, I think they allow you to have 5. Anyone help me out. Before they allowed 3 funded accounts and 1 live account. So 3 simulated and 1 live, but I think they put it up to 5 with TOPSTEP X maybe, or all the platforms. Not sure. If you have more funded accounts past 5. All right, Daniel, thank you. 5 XFAs. It's 5 now. All right then, because I know that yeah. But if you have more accounts past, then you can still activate them and they're going to put it in a, on the shelf and you can still continue to trade. And if you blow up a funded account, they're just going to automatically activate you, put in the funded account. So you can still do new combine accounts. Gold is still working out here. I'm going to put this thing away. Can you explain MyFunded starter payout rule? What can I withdraw after 5 days? It's basically almost the same like TOPSTEP. They copied a few things from TOPSTEP there. So it's almost the same as TOPSTEP. There's weekly payouts, but like at TOPSTEP, you have to make $200 that counts as a winning day. At MyFundedFutures, you have to make $100 only, as that counts as a winning day. After 5 winning days at MyFundedFutures, you can request a payout, but as a reminder, as a penalty, just like at TOPSTEP. For example, if you have $700 in profit on your 50K account and you request, for example, $500, then your drawdown is going to be locked into 50K. So you're going to lose your threshold that you were trailing with you. They're going to lock you in at 50K. So at TOPSTEP, it's because it starts from 0. It locks in at 0. Actually, not 50K, 50,100, because an extra $100 is going to be there. And you're going to lose your threshold. But you have the opportunity to take money out. Yes, the maximum withdrawal per withdrawal is $1,200 on the 50K account. So, but it's more than enough. You can take weekly payouts if you want to, but you can copy trade with TOPSTEP. Yes, you can. Can you see the payout policy on you? Yeah, so this is the payout policy. You have to make at least 5 days above $100. It doesn't have to be consecutive 5 days. Just have 5 days above $100, and then you can ask for a payout. But as a reminder, your trailing threshold or max drawdown is going to lock in at 50,100. So I'm saying if you have $700, you take out 500, for example, you're only going to leave left with 200 or 100. How much is that? Because 50,100, you take a $100 drawdown. That's all you're going to left with. So I advise you to build up as before. Build up your safety threshold. Build up a cushion. That's it. On TOPSTEP F, if I'm in a position running 10 points in profit, why if I add to the position, the reverse back to my second and it reverse doesn't count? I don't know. Why is that, Bassett? That's a good question. It could be some kind of an issue, a technical glitch in a position. You're welcome, Farhad. You're welcome. So, I don't know. I don't know, Bassett. I It sounds strange. Sounds strange. Let's check on gold again. It's going higher. Actually, this issue happens to me only on TopStep X. That's weird. That's strange. Maybe you should ask support. Write them all this down, and maybe they can look into that. I'm still waiting for this gold trade, but I don't know what to make of it. I think it's gonna be just consolidating all the way until the New York session now. I told them, but nothing. This will lead me back to Quant Tower. Oh, that sucks. I don't know what, man. That's weird. Did you try maybe? I know it's a stupid thing. I'm not into computers and all that stuff, but maybe log in with a different computer if you have, for a laptop, whatever, a different computer, and try on that one. Is it doing the same? Maybe there's something in your computer settings, whatever. It's just a tip, Seems like NQ might want to drop lower here. Looking for this, what it's gonna do. Is it gonna take out that low, make a new low? I don't know. So you need 5 consecutive winning. No, not consecutive. It doesn't have to be consecutive. Just have 5 winning days. You can do it in 30 days, 2 months, whatever. Just, you know, 5 winning days overall. That's all you need. It doesn't have to be consecutive. What prop firm has an automatic PA account? Well, automatic, you say maybe instant funding is fast track trading, but it's a brand new one. Waiting for some people to, you know, let us know about their experience. I know, I think CryptoPanda is waiting for payout from them. So it's a brand new prop firm. We don't know much, but it's instant funded account, instant futures funded account for a few $100s. That's all. But it's brand new. What happens when they lock your drawdown to 0? Well, if you hit that 0, then you blown your account. That's it. That's all. Just don't go down to that 0 because then you're blown. That's the penalty. That's why it's maybe better to build up more cushion. Is that a word? Cushion? Of course. Any experience with Elite Trader funding? Honestly, I registered with them, but I don't trade with them. Currently, I trade with 5 of these prop firms that you see up there. I trade with BULENOX, Take Profit, Apex, TOPSTEP. I'm funded with TOPSTEP, Apex, BULENOX. I was funded with MyFundedFutures, but I blown the account, unfortunately. So it's enough for me to go with. I registered. I think we also have a code for it if you want to go with, but I'm not trading with them, so that's why I'm not talking too much about them, because I just don't know how things are going right now with them. But 5 prop firms is enough for me for now to trade with, and that's it. How much is the best minimum? Well, I would say on a 50K account, even for TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures, if you go with micros, which I would in the starter account, definitely, I would say leave at least $1,500 or $2,000 at least. Okay, so that makes you, so try to build up at least $2,500 or $3,000 on your account. You know, withdraw $500 to $1,000, maybe $1,000. I like to withdraw $1,000. So withdraw $1,000 and leave at least $1,500. That should be enough, because if you go on full tilt, then it's over anyways, right? So on 50K, I would have 3K plus. That's also good. So it's personal preference. Daniel says 3K plus. It's up to you. You have to make the decision for yourself. But I would say the bare minimum after withdrawal, the bare minimum would be 1,500. But I would go with, yeah, higher, like 2,000, 2,600. At BULENOX, you have to leave there. It's a mandatory thing. You have to leave $2,600 safety cushion. You can withdraw that safety cushion, but then they're going to close your account. So that's the deal with BULENOX. But you have to leave it on your account. And your minimum withdrawal is $1,000. So that means you have to build up $3,600 on your first withdrawal with BULENOX on the 50K account. So, but it's fine, because $2,600, I think it's a good number, or 3,000, whatever. So I don't mind that. I agree with that 100%, that you should have a safety cushion, at least that amount. Yeah, BULENOX until Sunday is 90% off. You can use my code. Oh, it's 90%. You can use anybody's code, but you know, just don't waste it. Help out the streamer, whoever you like. And it's 90% off until Sunday. I'm just not sure if Apex is until Monday or Sunday, whatever. I don't know. So, is there any consistency for Buleanox? 40%. I think it's 40% now. 40, yeah, I think it's 40. What is why? Why code? My code at Buleanox is TOMSABO1. It says 1 up there on the upper right corner, but it's also in the description. It's all because the TOMSABO1 is for option 1 accounts, and option 2 accounts currently have 45% off only. So option 1 accounts is the one that has the 90% off, so that has the TOMSABO1 code, and the option 2 accounts, which are the end of day trailing, are TOMSABO2, but you guys usually go for the option 1, so I might as well change it to just TOMSABO, but for now I'm going to leave it. It's TOMSABO1 for the option 1 account. And yeah, and I think it's in the description too, but it's up there, upper right corner. So we're waiting on gold still waiting, still hovering here. If this would go to my TP, at least somewhat it would put me back to break even, but I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what to do with this. NQ created relative equal lows here on the 1 minute. Look at that. Reprice that level. I think it should go down. Pretty high chance that it will go down a few points there. Take it out. But what happens after that, we don't know. What do you think of NQ long? Honestly, it's bullish, that's for sure. But I don't really see any other target than the 500 and the 500 whole number up there. And look at that. Look at what happened since midnight. Look at here. Eastern Standard Time midnight. So that's important to say. New York time midnight. This candle opened up. This is the 5-minute chart. Bearish candle opened up, and the next few bearish candles until 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so, they were trying to go lower, but they didn't. They went higher, just keep pushing higher. So the midnight level of NQ is still pretty much untouched. We have the VWAP down here. We have the midnight level. We have Asia lows down here with a wick, which is pretty much lower. It's hard to say. I like to see NQ make a deeper pullback, maybe all the way down to the midnight level, to the VWAP, maybe have a bounce and then go higher. To take a long position here, it would be risky. If you can go long, for example, you go long here, you put a wide stop there, and you target the 500. Look at that. You can go long with that. You can do that. But if it gets below the VWAP, it might try to go down to the Asia lows. So I would be waiting for now. And don't forget, we have NFP. This is what the market is going to look like until then. That's what's going to happen. And then boom, and then boom, and boom. That's what's going to happen, I think. I mean, not exactly, but, you know, guys, usually this is what happens. Maybe this one goes down even more. Usually this is what happens on NFP. So be careful. And the same goes with gold. If gold is, I don't know. If gold is not going into the order block until in the next whatever, I don't even know. I might close it at break even. Let me see. Yeah, here it is. I don't know. I just don't like it. If it trades below this level here, this 72, it can go to make a new low. I really don't like it. Everything is just, you know, volume is drying up. You're welcome. You're welcome. Susie Lucy. I like the name. So anyway, make sure to be here in the New York session. We're going to do 3 starter account giveaways. And we're going to do it before the market open. It's going to be real fast, real quick. And it's going to be after the news most likely and before the market open because it's a dead area anyway. And that's it. And next week cash giveaways are coming. So make sure to subscribe, like the channel. And if you would like to support, greatly appreciate it. Use my codes and links. Thank you. I don't know what to do with this now. It's just going sideways. Guys, I think, you know, I love you all. You guys are awesome. But I think I'm going to call it here because I'm not going to put on new trades and I'm going to be focusing. It's almost at the end of the kill zone. So I'm not interested to put on new trade. I'm going to call it here and focus on the New York session. Don't overtrade. I'm going to leave this trade. Whatever happens, you know, I'm going to stay in this long. Let it be. But it wasn't a good session for me. 2 stop losses. What can I do? At least I scalped it back. But I'm going to do the recap after this. I mean, at the end of the day. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the channel. And stay tuned for the giveaway in New York session. You guys are awesome. And take care. Be safe. And see you everyone in the New York session. All right? Okay. So stay tuned. See you guys. Cheers, everybody. Love you all. All right. Cheers. Bye. Hello. Bye, everyone.